In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Riot client. So the very first thing we need to do is go and open up an internet browser and just type in Riot client and then press enter. You can then click on this top website, which is the official riotgames.com. Now once you're on this page, if you scroll down to the games section, so to go and download the Riot client, we first need to select one of these games. So I'm going to be playing Valorant, so I'm going to click on it like so. You can then click on the play for free button. You then need to go and select your platform, so this will either be PC, Xbox or PlayStation, so we're going to click on PC, and then what you'll need to do is sign in to your Riot Games account. If you don't already have one of these, you can always create one for free, but I'm just going to press sign in. So once you're signed in, you can scroll down and click on this download button, and then you can go and click on the downloads in the top right hand side and click on this installation file. You could then just press install, and this will begin installing the Riot Games to your computer. So once this is finished installing, you'll see this login screen here. And what we can do is just go and log in to our Riot Games account. And then once you're signed in, you'll be able to manage all of your different Riot games. So over on the left-hand side, you can see all of the games that we can go and download. And it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.